Hello guys! Today I'm gonna show you this ice cream set. It's a great summer special that Mattel made. I didn't see it in any stores locally here in Europe, but I found it at a German online toy store and I immediately got it because it brings back awesome memories of summers spent in the Mediterranean or at the sea, where you get the frozen yogurt or ice cream. And I really loved also the outfit that Millie is wearing here and the pistachio ice cream cone. So I'm really excited about opening this up today, especially since it takes up so much space in the apartment. It's a really kind of huge box. Not as big as the farmer special ones with the tractor and all the farming animals and stuff, but I would say it's a mid-range size. So in the corner of the box we have here, I assume Millie and Stacy, or no, Chelsea. Chelsea, I think. I'm not quite up to date with the new descriptions of the sisters of Barbie. Neither am I watching any of those TV shows or series. Here they both are again. I mean, compared to the classical 80s and 70s drawings, obviously this is kind of a contemporary take on graphics. I think it's some vector design or drawing. At least they didn't do CGI, although probably this will follow. So on the back you have the whole setup again with a cute table, the yellow summery sunny chairs, some cappuccino or some milk foam drink, and the ice cream stand, and the two girls obviously. So let's see, I'm gonna try to open on this side. I like this this font. Oh, and on the top here you have Barbie making a heart shape with her hands. That's also cute. Well, now I don't want to destroy the box anymore. Oh, let's see. Okay, so now the background looks even cooler when you can open it up and see all the details. Those cute sweets and juice bottles or milk bottles. Here we have, what does it say? Some fake names in here. I don't think they really exist, and it also doesn't seem to mean anything in any language. So it's a bit fake. Oh, this is so cool. This is real blue transparent slider opening, and inside there are little cupcakes. That's really awesome. Here you have some hint at ice cream boxes with the fresh gelato. Such a pity that this box full of sweets is not real. That would have been really cool, just like this thing. Here we have the top that says Barbie again. There are two pink plates which don't match the rest at all. Obviously it's a hint at the Barbie pink, but it was, in my opinion, a bit unnecessary. But actually you could really use this whole backdrop as a playset. So it's really, you can keep it like this and it's really fun. Ah, so in the back there is this huge glass container with, again, a cardboard hint at huge mountains of cream and chocolate and ice cream. The perspective is a bit warped, it's kind of huge. Then there's the window with the sea view to show that we are at a sea place. And here we have, again, considering the perspective, oversized ice cream cones, waffle cones, and the bar stool that is pink clashes again with this yellow of the chairs. I don't really know what that's about, why they had to slap the pink everywhere. Also all those various shades of pink and magenta, because I mean here it's this darker one, here it's the Barbie light one, and it's a bit of a color wise it's a bit chaotic. But anyway, I'm gonna probably start with the hat. It's the easiest to remove. Oops, and there we go. It's a bendy plastic hat. It's supposed to remind of the straw hats that you wear at the sea in summer. We'll see shortly how it fits the doll, if it falls off or if it's well molded or not. What else do we have? Let's remove maybe the chairs. I love those. I think a similar chair is contained in the office, Barbie office set. I think it's red. It has the office with the printer, the desk, and there's a chair like this. Still, they are a bit oversized in my opinion. Nowadays Barbies don't really have those huge butts that would need this kind of big surface to be placed on, but I guess for playing it's just more comfortable. You have more stability and maybe also options on how to position the doll. So we have two of those. Those are really awesome. I love those kind of designs. The table. The table is covered with a plastic topping to keep everything in place. I mean, the dishes as always are tucked in with this plastic rod, or I don't know how to call it, those plastic indentions where you can stick the stuff in. The table is simple white. It's the same design as from the dinner set or the other Barbie accessory or furniture sets. One was a dinner table with two pink chairs, and that's the same style. The other one is just silver metallic thing, and this is just plain white for fitting for summer and for the Mediterranean. Let's stick with this for the Italian style. Okay, so those don't really fit in to the holes. So that's kind of a bummer, because they are gonna fall to the side. Okay. Those things are always very funny. The shapes are great. I'm sure my froggy stuff or some of the other bloggers would have plenty of ideas of what to do with those things. Looks like a coat hanger, maybe. I don't know. So let's free the doll. So here we have the doll. She has kind of ash blonde hair. I must say it's not that bad. I mean, obviously cut irregularly as most of the dolls nowadays, the playline dolls. with his chaotic hair, but the shade is quite nice. This outfit is just it was not the main reason, but one of the reasons why I got the set, and I actually got the set twice, so if any one of you is interested, I can ship it to you. There is this glittering satin shorts that she's wearing, very nice. I'm not sure, no, probably she doesn't have underwear, but she has this underwear shape underneath. And then she's wearing slippers. I don't know if they're copper or what to call them, like slight golden brown, very fashionable. The ice cream cone and this cute top, it doesn't velcro, so it goes through. It's one piece. I mean, really cute.
Really cute.
Obviously her legs don't bend, her arms are not articulated, but she's is a nice basic doll. I must say, I really like her. From the face expression, she reminds me of the Playline Happy Birthday doll, which also has this softer Millie version about her. That's really, really lovely. Yeah, she's lovely. I mean, I'm not a Millie fan, but look at her. She has some kind of cuteness to her, and she's not super plain. Let's see about the hat. Oh, the hat even fits. Look at that. It has a nice shape around her head. It's really cool. Let's take a look at the little one. Chelsea, I guess. Here we have her. Chelsea, she has quite long hair. Oh my god. That's really long hair. Again, irregularly cut. She has this ice cream on her fake plastic t-shirt that you cannot take off. She has a cute little pink skirt. Sadly, her eyes are a bit uneven. One eye is smaller than the other. In particular, this one is smaller. She has slight wonky feel to her, but I guess that's alright. She's just a bit tired, I guess. She has yellow shoes to stay in the topic of summer and sunshine. Quite a cute doll. So for play dates, really cute and nice. What else do I have to destroy to get it out of here? Here we have another one. Okay, that's it. So this was the main piece, basically, that I got so excited about. And it is indeed cute. Probably the dolls are more fun now than I expected. But this little thing that opens up is really, really cute. Then you have those. Oh, they are blue. Oh, it's all my favorite colors. Oh, it's so cute. We'll keep this in. This looks really cute. Was it like this? Yeah, it's like this. Oh, this color. This is amazing. Oh. Then the fake terminal where you, for the cashier. Here you have storage space where you can maybe put little things. Here in the back also it's open. You can store some cutlery or the dishes or whatever. So up here we also have tiny shelves, maybe to put some bottles in if you have some diorama bottles. Barbie thing. Oh my god, like those kind of play sets really make me sad that I don't have all the space to display them and to really use them and play with them. This kind of lifts off of the table. That's why I'm trying to push it down. Weird. But yeah, I mean, those kind of things, they are so cute and so adorable, and you really want to have the space to really set up a beach situation. Yes, people, if you can get your hands on the set, I highly recommend it, especially if it's on sale. As I mentioned in my DodaDolls shop on Instagram, I'm having it if you want to purchase. Otherwise, I'm gonna open it all up and enjoy for myself, because those dolls with those outfits and those little tiny add-on things are super fun to play with. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did, and hope to see you soon in one of my videos. Bye!